Why do 90% of smart homeowners choose Philips Hue BR30 LED smart light bulbs? Let's find out. Imagine walking into a room and your lights instantly adapt to your mood or activity. With Philips Hue BR30 LED smart light bulbs, it's not a dream, it's your new reality. These bulbs are Bluetooth compatible, which means no hub is required, just plug and play. Control your lighting with simple voice commands through Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. Feeling lazy? Just say, "Alexa, dim the lights," and voila, and let's talk about colors. With millions of options, you can create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Warm white for a cozy night in, or vibrant colors for a wild party. Customize your lighting scenes and schedules with the intuitive Hue app. Wake up gently with a sunrise simulation, or wind down with a calming blue. Transitioning your home to smart lighting has never been this easy or this fun. Plus, these bulbs are energy efficient, so you save on electricity while enjoying top-notch illumination. Don't just light up your home, smarten it up. Upgrade to Philips Hue BR30. LED smart light bulbs today and experience the future of lighting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link in the description to get yours now. Light your way to a smarter home with Philips Hue.